This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a rice farm in Minecraft. First, locate a water source or create a small pond using a water bucket. Next, use a hoe to till the dirt blocks directly adjacent to the water. This creates farmland that stays hydrated. Finally, plant your rice seeds on these tilled blocks. This simple setup is the foundation for your efficient rice production. To maximize your rice yield, ensure your farm has plenty of light. Natural sunlight works best, but torches or glowstone can also provide necessary illumination. For instant growth, apply bone meal to your planted rice. This speeds up the process significantly. As your needs grow, simply expand your farm by adding more water sources and tilled farmland around them. Once your rice plants are fully grown, they will appear taller and have a distinct texture. To harvest, simply break the plant block. Each harvested plant will yield between 1 and 3 rice items, which is great for food or replanting. Remember to replant new rice seeds right away to keep your farm continuously producing. It's a simple cycle for endless rice. For a more advanced setup, you can automate harvesting using pistons and observer blocks. This can save you time and effort in the long run. Rice is a fantastic and versatile food source in Minecraft, helping you stay fed during your adventures. Building a large, efficient rice farm ensures you'll always have plenty of food for yourself and your friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.